Okay.
I'll take care of check-ins in just a minute. Just so you know.
Why is it not opening?
I'll take care of check-ins in just a minute.
Okay. I don't know, Attorney Bynag isn't getting my emails.
I know, I just got it now. The pre-trial, I just got that. And where is, and this is the docket from yesterday, and we are talking about which individual?
Maurice Pilgrim.
Oh, and is there an offer for that one? I just see that I guess I can speak with Miss Horn when she comes.
Well, she writes the offers on the dockets, so
I don't have that one then. I have the one for today, but not the one for yesterday.
oh,
Maybe she can send that.
that's it. The offers, yeah, it should say offers for 3/10/2026. Offers for Judge Ramsey-Heath, 3/10/2026. That's for Malcolm Pilgrim.
Yeah, but I don't have that. She would have to send that to me. She sent me the one. Oh, you just sent this one. Wait, hold on, let me look. Uh, okay, hold on one second. Pilgrim. Okay, yep, I got him. Maurice Pilgrim. Perfect.
Yeah, okay,
Thank you.
okay.
All right, can I go ahead and start checking people in?
Yes, we're ready, Your Honor.
Thank you. Let me let these couple of people in so I can watch them as they join. Or the one on the Samsung. Good morning on the Samsung. What's your name? You need to unmute and give me a name or I'll have to remove you from the Zoom room. Please unmute and provide a name.
Joseph Jasmine Trotty.
Okay. Trotty?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much.
I appreciate you. You're welcome.
All right, please be advised, I don't know if your devices are muted. Most of you are. Good morning and welcome to Traffic Court. I am Judge Ramsey-Heath. I'm going to go ahead and get all of you into breakout rooms so that you can meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. Please be advised there is a brief wait for the attorneys to get to you this morning. If you know that you need to show them things like registration or insurance, you fixed your window tint, etc., and you have proof of those things, please go ahead and use the time to gather those items so that you will have them when they get to you. All right. You're going to start seeing the invitations to the breakout rooms when I call your name. If that is not the correct name on your device, please speak up and let me know. All right. I have Arian. Hold on. Let me get all my make sure my breakout room is open. All right, Madam Clerk, did you set up the breakout rooms this morning?
Yes.
Thank you. All right, I have Arian Porter Craig. You're going to go to room 3. I have Brock Turner. You are going to room 4. Guys, please don't use the help button in your breakout room unless you have an emergency causing you to need to leave court. We know you are in the breakout rooms and we know that you are waiting. We've not forgotten. It just takes a minute to speak with the attorneys. All right, Brock Turner, room 4. Joseph Trotty, room 5. Maurice Pilgrim, room 6. Samaria Tompkins Pickens, room 7. All right. I've got a device that just says Faith New Vision. What is your name, please?
It's Kevin Peterson. I was trying to get it off of there. I don't know how to.
That's okay. I'll change it for you. Kevin Peterson?
Yes.
Okay,
Your
good
Honor?
morning.
I'm actually outside of your courtroom. I didn't know anything about Zoom.
Oh, that's okay. So I don't know if there's a court officer yet to let you in, but give me just a minute. What are you doing today? Do you know what you have?
I had an attorney who's helping me, and I'm supposed to be here for a hearing. That's what I thought. I haven't been here.
Okay, just a minute, Mr. Peterson. Just give me just a minute, okay? Ms. Tompkins Pickens, you should have seen an invitation to the breakout room. It's going to disappear. I've got a phone number ending in 4085. What is your name, please?
Tatiana Taylor.
All right, Ms. Taylor, I'm going to put you in a breakout room to speak with the attorney. Give me just a moment. You're going to room 8. Phone number ending in 4707. Please give me a name. If your phone number ends in 4707, I need a name, please. You're going to be removed.
It's Samaria Pickens. My microphone keeps going in and out.
Okay, hold on, because I've got you then on 3 different devices. So you're on the phone number ending in 4707?
Yes.
Okay, now hold on. I'm hoping I don't remove you, but I've got to get some of the devices out of the room. We've got too much. Okay. Okay, can you still hear me, Ms. Pickens?
Yes, I can't hear you.
Okay, very good. Then we'll stay on this device, okay? I put your, I was trying to put your other one in another room, but let's see. Yeah, that was room 7. So I'm going to go ahead and put you back in room 7 on this device. But spell your last name for me again. Was it Tompkins Pickens?
Yes, TOMPKINS hyphen PICKENS.
Okay, very good. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and get you back into that breakout room, which
And
was
my
room
camera is messing up. Oh
7.
my goodness.
It's okay. Just as long as I can hear you, we're okay. So I'm going to go ahead and put you back in room 7 and you can hear me, okay? Room 7, then
Okay.
wait for the attorneys. Go ahead and join. They'll be there.
Okay, thank you.
Attorney Canfor, good morning.
Good morning. Can you hear me?
I can. How are you this morning?
I'm doing well, thank you. How are you?
Good. Which case are you here on today, please?
That Kevin Peterson that checked in a few minutes ago.
Okay, right here. Mr. Peterson is still with us. Okay. And Madam Clerk, would you please pull the Kevin Peterson file or look at the docket sheet and see if there's an offer there for Attorney Canfor? And Mr. Canfor, are you online or are you at the courthouse as well?
I'm online. I didn't
Okay.
come to the courthouse. Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. All right, so that's good because Mr. Peterson can get into a breakout room to speak to you. I've given you co-host. I'm just going to see if there's an offer in your matter before I send you away. Mr. Peterson, I'm going to put you in room 9, okay?
Okay.
What's going to happen is your attorney can come in there to speak to you so that you guys have some privacy in the breakout room. If you're in the courthouse and you want to come into the courtroom after you talk to your attorney, that's fine with me, okay?
Yeah. How do I get into the breakout?
I'm getting ready to send you an invitation.
Okay. Got you.
Just renaming you so that the other attorneys will know that you are already represented.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so you're going to go to room 9. Go ahead and hit join now. Officer Thomas, good morning. Ms. Tompkins Pickens, I do need you to get into the breakout room, though. It doesn't do you any good to sit out here with me. That's her other device. Okay, I'm going to remove that one. All right, Officer Thomas, good morning. What case are you here on, please?
Good morning. I'm here on the Aiden Townsend.
Okay. I don't have that person here yet, but we shall see.
Okay, thank you.
right, I'm going to go ahead and get you into breakout room number 1 so you can speak with the city attorney when she gets here.
Thank you.
Arian Porter Craig has a case from 2018, they say. All right. On for Attorney Canfor on Peterson, let me see what we can do here.
There's no offer written yet, and I
Okay.
just ran his SOS just in case Ms. Horn needs it.
Okay. Do we have a valid license?
Yes.
They're asking for an SOS now on Brock Turner.
Brock Turner is valid.
Okay, thank you. Give me just a minute. Okay, so Attorney Canfor, I'm going to go ahead. I've given you co-host. I'm going to go ahead and get you into breakout room number 2 so that you can meet with the city attorney when she gets here.
Okay, thank you.
There's no offer in the file yet. Yep, so you'll need to speak with her. Room 2, thank you. Tanasia Thurman, good morning.
Can you hear me?
I can. How are you today?
Hi, how are you?
Good. Give me just a moment. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get you into a breakout room so that you can meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. There's a little bit of a wait, so if you know you need to show them like proof of registration or insurance, things like that, go ahead and gather those items while you're waiting, and they'll be with you as soon as they can, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Thank you. All right. Go ahead and join room 10.
Okay.
Attention, Attorney Vianek. Attention, Attorney Vianek. Brock Turner is valid. Brock Turner is valid.
Yeah.
This is so strange how this is happening lately. It takes so long for people to be let in. Good morning, Ms. Horn.
Okay. Good morning, Judge. Good morning, everybody.
How are you?
Very well. How are you?
I'm good. You have Attorney Canfor here on the Peterson matter.
Okay.
Madam Clerk did run his SOS for you if you need it. It does have a valid license, but she also has the SOS.
Okay, I'll go take a look at that. Thank you.
Yeah, then looks like they're going to need you on room 4. His SOS came back valid.
Brock Turner.
He has valid documents, but he also has 3 tickets not on the docket, it looks like. So Attorney Vianek may be wanting to speak to you on that one.
Okay, Madam Clerk, good morning. Good morning, Miss Pillow.
Good morning.
I'm going to come take a look at Brock Turner's file and SOS and Mr. Peterson's file for Mr. Canfor.
Okay, and then they're also they've got a note on room 3 that there's a case from 2018. So
okay, and I'll look at that one too.
Barry and Porter Craig. Okay.
Okay, cool. All right, thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Okay, I was on the phone. Did anyone need anything?
Nope, actually, Miss Horn said she's probably on her way in there to you so she can look at the SOS on Peterson.
Peters?
Yeah. Joseph Trotty, they've now got a note next to his name. Is he here for sentencing today?
Yes, I need to get in touch with Attorney Ed Taylor to see if he's gonna make it for that.
All right, and do we have someone coming from probation?
No, it's just the sentencing part. So I
Okay.
sent you the report.
Oh, great.
And,
Okay.
and
Thank
I
you.
sent it to Attorney Taylor, but
Okay,
yeah,
very good. Thank you very much.
call it right now.
I'm taking a look at that now.
Hi, Attorney Taylor. This is Kim from 36th District Court. I'm calling regarding Joseph Trotty. He's scheduled for sentencing in Judge Ramsey-Heath's courtroom today. Courtroom 437. Would you please zoom in or give the court a call 313-965-2405. Thank you. Hopefully he gets that message.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for sending the sentencing memo. I've got it. Good morning.
Morning.
All right. Which cases are you here on today? Who are the citizens?
I'm just here for Aiden Townsend.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry about that.
The officer is here, I think, on that case. Give me just a moment.
Yeah, I think so.
Yes, the officer is here on Mr. Townsend. Okay.
And what's the other two, Brock?
Officers here.
Yes, officer is here.
Okay. So it's the registration on the ticket is not even the same as his vehicle.
Okay.
Right now.
All right. Attorney Horn, I don't know if you can hear. Pronounce your last name, please, for me. Attorney Murhai.
Yep, that's correct.
Murhai. Saying that there is a mismatch on the ticket between the ticket and the registration for his client's vehicle. So just so you're aware, that's likely to be raised.
Okay, mismatch on the ticket and the registration.
And the vehicle, like it doesn't match at all.
Okay, so tell us what's represented on the ticket and what kind of vehicle did your client drive?
Right, so it's a 2016 Chevy black and with an EXM 5466. And then I can email the registration, but that doesn't match what he was driving.
Okay. All right, you can go ahead and send it to, Madam Clerk, would you please place your email in the chat for Attorney Marhai, and then once you get it, just forward it to me and Ms. Horn, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
Okay,
guys.
please watch your chat for an email address to
Will
take.
do. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, I got it. Thank you.
Okay, we'll be on the lookout for that. Thank you. And then, Madam Clerk, if you could please, when you email to us, please just send a copy of the ticket along with that email or in proximity to it, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Well, if it helps, I put in the vehicle plate number and it belongs to a Derek Earl Barnett, a 2016 Chevy.
Derek Earl Barnett. Okay, thank you. So did you hear that, Attorney Marhai?
I did. Yeah, that's what we were trying to figure out. It's not even his vehicle.
Okay, well,
Yeah.
then it's likely grounds for dismissal, but I will let you discuss that with Ms. Horn. She may not have any objection to it at this point. Okay, so now that we've got the email coming, I'm going to give you co-host here, and then I'm going to go ahead and put you in breakout room number 2 because that's where Ms. Horn will come to speak to you.
Okay, thank you.
If you want to move around to see your client, you can. Let's see, where did we put him in room?
I just sent it now, so you guys should be
Okay,
in.
very good. Oh, I don't have your client checked in, so sorry. Okay, but the officer's here, so it may not be necessary to bring him in.
Okay.
Depending on what your conversation with Ms. Horn. So I'll go ahead and get you into room 2, okay?
Appreciate it. Thanks, Josh.
She'll be there shortly.
Thank you.
Right, it looks like we're ready, Madam Clerk, on Maurice Pilgrim, so I'll be bringing him out.
Okay.
As soon as Attorney Vinek's out of that room, I'll bring him.
I believe Attorney, is it Murray?
Mm-hmm.
Sent the video and it won't let me open it because we don't have that software installed on our computers.
Try forwarding it to me. Let me see if I can do anything with it.
And you can forward it to me.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Subject is Aiden Town.
Okay, thank you.
I made a copy of the ticket. Send it to you.
We don't have an officer Sanders here yet, do we?
No.
Okay.
And he hasn't called.
Yeah, I haven't heard anything.
All right, Madam Clerk, I'm going to bring Maurice Pilgrim out. He's ready. Maurice Pilgrim, please join the main session. Maurice Pilgrim, please join the main session. Good morning, Mr. Pilgrim.
Morning.
Looks like you're going to be entering a plea today. I see open alcohol passenger with a 6-month delayed sentence, failure to display a license, improper plate, and a seatbelt. Everything else would be dismissed.
Okay.
Is that what you discussed with the attorney?
Yes.
Okay, very good. We're going to go ahead and call the matter. Madam Clerk, would you please call the Maurice Pilgrim matters when you're ready?
For Maurice Antoine Pilgrim Jr., SP 1757197, count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger, and all other matters scheduled for today's docket.
Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Pilgrim. Please state your name for the record.
Yes. Maurice Pilgrim.
Thank you. Attorney Horn?
Tamika Horn, on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303, Your Honor.
Thank you. You had a look of concern on your face, so that's why
Madam Clerk cleared it up. I was wondering, I said, how did he get an offer? Because he's not on the docket for today, but it's my understanding he was put over for today. So that
yes,
was
with
the
the previous
offer
offer in the file. So as long as
Okay,
that's still good, then that's the one it looks like he's accepting.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Okay, so Mr. Pilgrim, it does look like you're going to be pleading guilty with a delayed sentence to the open alcohol passenger. Then we've got the failure to display the improper plate and then the seatbelt. So that's 4 things. Does that sound correct to you?
Yes, ma'am.
And did anyone promise you anything else that I don't know about to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth?
Yes. I swear everything. Yes.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location on the open alcohol passenger, please?
July 17, 2025, Atwater and Ryopale.
Mr. Pilgrim, is it true that you had open alcohol in the passenger area of a vehicle that was on a public roadway?
Yes.
Thank you. May I have a date and location on the failure to display and improper plate, please?
June 16, 2025, Joy and Marlowe.
Sir, is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Is it also true that you did not have proper plates on the vehicle at that time due to a lack of registration or insurance?
Yes.
Thank you. You are also admitting to not wearing a seatbelt, which is a $65 0-point ticket, but you are making that admission. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. Thank you. All right. Your fines are as follows. On the open alcohol passenger, it's $190. With that one, you have a 6-month delayed sentence. So as long as you get it paid in full and don't get any similar tickets within the 6 months, we will simply pull it up and dismiss it for you. If,
Okay.
however, you don't get it paid off in 6 months or you get another ticket like this, then you're going to have to come back and see me so we can talk about what's going on. That one, Madam Clerk, could I please have a 6-month date?
6 months is September 8th at 8:30.
Thank you. So September 8th at 8:30 a.m. if you need to come back and see me on the open alcohol passenger ticket. On your
Okay.
failure to display, the fine on that one is $190. And on your improper plate, I can bring that one down because it's on the same ticket to 100. So you've got $190 and $100 there for failure to display an improper plate. And then you've got your seatbelt at $65. So once again, $190, $190, $100, and $65. What I'll do on the $190, $100, and $65, that one, I'm going to put all those due at 90 days. But what I need you to do within 90 days is one of 2 things. You may pay them in full, or you may go see the cashiers on the first floor for a longer term payment plan if you need one, but you must at least give them the down payment on these within the 90 days to keep your plea deal in place. On your other one, you've got a 6-month sentence at 190. Make sure that they know that you are on the 6-month delay for that, and that you need to make sure that 190 is paid off in 6 months to keep with your delayed sentence, okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a wonderful day.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Bye.
We can bring Mr. Townsend out.
Who?
Cause I looked at it, yeah, it's off
Oh,
on that registration.
oh, Your
Or the-
Honor,
Based
I'm
on
here.
the VIN.
oh, okay. Attorney Horn is ready for the Townsend matter. She says it's off.
Okay, thank you.
It doesn't, the VIN doesn't match up. Well,
Okay,
you know,
thank you.
that VIN is not for this ticket.
And this is on Aiden Townsend?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Parties on the Aiden Townsend matter, Officer Thomas and Attorney Murhai. Parties on the Townsend matter, please return to the main session. All right, thank you. Ms. Horn tells me she's ready. We're going to go ahead and call the matter. Madam Clerk, when you are ready, please call the matter.
For Aiden Dotson Townsend, SP 1853765, count 1, defective or missing equipment.
Thank you. Ms. Horn?
Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303. Officer Thomas, would you please state your name and badge number for the record?
Officer Thomas, 2680.
Thank you.
Attorney Murhai, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Hassan Murray, the defendant, Aiden Townsend. He's not with us. He just has me appearance on his behalf.
Thank you. Given the nature of the proceedings today, I'll allow you to waive his presence at this time. Attorney Murhai, I understand you do have a motion in this matter.
Right, Your Honor. We are looking to dismiss this matter of the defective equipment ticket or citation that was presented does not match the registration that my client has. And therefore, we're looking for dismissal on this matter.
All right, thank you. Ms. Horn, have you had a chance to review the matter?
Officer, yes, I have had an opportunity to review it. The VIN number that the clerk ran in the lien system does not match this particular respondent. And Officer Thomas, I'm gonna stipulate in this dismissal, we're gonna move for dismissal because it's a different person. The name being
Derek Earl Barnett.
Derek Earl Barnett. So it's not this particular respondent's, Officer Thomas, so I'm gonna stipulate to this dismissal.
All right,
Yes,
thank
ma'am.
you.
I'm good with that.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
And is this stipulation with or without prejudice?
With prejudice, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. This particular ticket is dismissed with prejudice at this time for the reasons stated by Attorney Murhai. We have discovered that the vehicle listed appears to belong to a different individual. All right, ticket is dismissed. Thank you all for your appearance on this one.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Officer Thomas.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, guys.
Thank
Do I have
you.
to have to present anything or? is
Nope,
it-
you're all
okay.
done. Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Everyone.
All right, I've got an unnamed iPhone being admitted. If you have sensitive eyes or ears, please make sure they are covered. Good morning on the iPhone. I will need you to quickly unmute and give me a name or you will be removed from the session.
Ebony Thomas.
Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, Ms. Thomas, I'm going to get you into a breakout room so that you can meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. Madam Clerk, do you know what time Ms. Thomas is scheduled for?
8:30.
Thank you. Okay, Ms. Thomas, sending you to breakout room number 11. Please go ahead and hit join when you see it. Thank you. Were you able to get in touch with Attorney Taylor?
No, not yet. I haven't gotten a call back either. I can try again.
Yeah, otherwise we'll need somebody needs to review his pre-sentence report with him, so
Yeah, I can email it to the attorney finance.
thank you. I'm in earshot. I'm watching the rooms.
Attorney Taylor is gonna be in here in person and I have the report printed out for him.
Okay, great, thank you. Are we ready on the Peterson matter, it looks like?
Yes, Your Honor. It's my understanding the officer is not checked in, so I'd be moving for a dismissal.
What time was this scheduled for?
8:30.
Okay, thank you. All right, I'm gonna bring your client out. Kevin Peterson, please join the main session. Kevin Peterson, please join the main session.
Oh,
Okay, Madam.
sorry. I'm here. I'm sorry.
Okay, we got you. Thank you. You're okay. All right, Madam Clerk, would you please go ahead and call the Peterson matter?
For Kevin Dion Peterson, SP 1867161, count 1, 26 to 30 miles per hour over posted speed.
Thank you. Appearances, please. Attorney Horn.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303, Your Honor.
Thank you. Attorney
Yeah.
Canfer.
Yeah, good morning, Your Honor. Darren Canfor on behalf of Mr. Peterson, P44773.
Thank you. Mr. Peterson, please state your name for the record.
Kevin Dion Peterson.
Thank you. All right. What are we doing here today, please? I understand there's a motion, Attorney Canfer.
Yes, Judge, it's my understanding the officer involved, Officer Sanders, has failed to check in. Based upon that, and it being now 9:14 in the morning, I would move for dismissal without prejudice.
Thank you. Attorney Horn, any response?
Yes, Your Honor. I have not spoken with or heard from Officer Sanders. I cannot proceed without his appearance, Your Honor.
Thank you. Officer Sanders' ticket is dismissed without prejudice at this time due to the officer's failure to appear. Mr. Peterson, be aware that means they can refile it at a later date and you would come back and see me if they did that, but it's not the norm. The ticket as for now is dismissed without prejudice.
Thank
Have a
you
good
very
day.
much, Your Honor. I am so happy.
You are very welcome. Have a great
Do
day,
I,
sir.
do I get any documentation for that, just so in case something does?
Yep, since you're in the courthouse, you can come to the courtroom and Madam Clerk can give you print. Madam Clerk, can you give Mr. Peterson a printout?
Yeah, I'm right outside your door.
Hold on one second, Mr. Peterson. Can you give him a printout, Madam Clerk?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Mr. Peterson, I don't know if you were speeding or not because your case is dismissed, but if you were going that fast, please slow down. Don't say anything. Don't answer me. I'm just,
Okay, absolutely.
please slow down. Keep us all safe, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, all right. Have a
Thank you,
great
Judge.
day. And you can, yeah, you can
Same
come
to
on
you.
in. Thank you. And then Ms. Horn, you had a chance to review the Brock Turner file, these 3 tickets that are not on the docket.
Yes, Your Honor. I saw that there was ticket ending in 2164, no valid registration civil and a defective brake civil. He does have a valid license, so I moved to dismiss what is on the docket, which is 21631 and 2. I'm just asking him to plead to defective brake lights, even if he got them fixed, just
Just the brake lights. Okay.
Yep, just the brake lights.
Okay.
And I didn't see anything else in the file, just those all 4 of these.
Okay. So offer equals.
And I guess I'll bend a little bit if he fixed them. I get it, because sometimes you don't even know your brake lights are out.
Okay, so dismiss all if fixed.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. Attorney Vionic, please see room 4 for new offer. Attorney Vionic, please see room 4 for a new offer. Right now I have Tatiana Taylor, Madam Clerk, whenever you're ready.
Okay, for Tatiana Jaylan Taylor, SP 1026111, counts 1, 2, and 3, drove while license not valid, drove unregistered or untitled vehicle, improper plates, and SP 1302364, count 1, drove while license not valid.
Thank you. Ms. Taylor, good morning. Please state your name for the record.
Good morning. My name is Tatiana Taylor. I
Thank
was
you.
trying to join through the Zoom.
You're okay, Ms. Taylor. You're okay, just as
Okay.
you are.
Okay.
Okay. So given all that was just said, it looks like you're just going to be pleading to 2 counts. That's 1 count of failure to display a valid license and 1 count of improper license or improper plate, I'm sorry, with everything else being dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
And did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you, Ms. Taylor. All right, Madam Clerk, may I have the date and location on the failure to display and the improper plate, please?
September 17, 2019, Livernois and Jeffries Freeway.
Thank you. Ms. Taylor, is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Is it also true that you did not have proper plates on the vehicle at that time due to a lack of registration or insurance?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fines are going to be 190 on the failure to display and 100 on the improper plate, okay?
Okay.
You have 60 days to
I
do
can come
one of
down
2
to
things.
36 and pay
Hold
that.
on, I'm getting ready to tell you, Ms.
Oh, I'm
Taylor.
sorry.
All right, so you've
I'm
got
sorry.
60 days to do one of 2 things. Number 1, you may pay the tickets in full within the 60 days. You may do that by coming down to the courthouse in person, going online through the court's website, do it using the look up a case or balance feature, or you may use any of the DivDap machines in the city of Detroit as long as you have exact change, okay? So 3
Okay.
different ways to pay. You may pay it those ways, get it all paid off in full within the 60 days, or within the 60 days, you may come see one of the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse, tell them that you need a longer term payment plan and start on that payment plan by giving them a down payment within the next 60 days. As long as you do one of those 2 things, your plea deal from today remains intact, okay?
Okay.
All right, any other questions for me?
No, that is all.
Okay, great. Have a wonderful day, Ms. Taylor.
Thank you. You as well.
All right, bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
All right, they are asking for an SOS, Madam Clerk, on Tanasia Thurman in room 10.
It's valid.
Thank you. Can you tell what Ms. Thurman's charges are?
Unregistered, untitled vehicle, and then 4 to do with her license. Driver's license never acquired, driver's
Okay.
license suspended. Yep, 3 of those.
Thank you.
4 of those.
Attorney Vionic, good morning. Ms.
Good
Thurman
morning.
is valid in room 10, valid.
Okay. I saw the updated offer in for room 4.
Yes.
Fortunately, the brake lights are not fixed, so I'm assuming we're just going to give him another pretrial date, maybe to give
No,
him.
her offer, because he has already so many tickets, her offer is if he's got the brake lights fixed today, then it could be dismissed. If not, then he's going to be admitting just to the brake lights. Everything else would be dismissed.
Oh, he would admit to the brake lights.
Yes.
Okay.
So if he's not fixed the brake lights, then he needs to admit to the brake lights, and then
And all the
everything else would
other
be
matters would be dismissed.
correct.
Got it.
I'm
Okay.
sorry,
I just want to make
I'm
sure.
sorry. I have something to say about those. So
Sorry?
I looked it up because you said he had other tickets. He filed a motion. The motion was denied. But for him to file that motion, he had to pay the ticket. So because the motion was denied, the amount was applied. The bond was applied to the ticket. So that's why it's not on the docket. It's closed.
Well, how can it be closed if there's just a bond posted?
It says motion denied, applied bonds, no valid defense provided, no good cause provided for non-appearance.
So that, okay, Ms.,
Yeah.
just give me a minute, please. Ms. Vinik, we'll be right back with you.
Okay.
Attorney Taylor, good morning.
He's muted.
Good morning, Yana. How you doing?
I'm good, thanks. Did you email Mr. Taylor a copy of his client's pre-sentence report?
I have it, Yana.
Okay, thank you. Your client is in room 5,
Already.
so that you can review that with him. Let me know when you're ready. Ms. Vinik, I'll be right back with you.
Okay, no problem.
Madam Clerk, I'm calling you so that we can try to straighten out the Brock matter.
Okay.
And then you're probably still muted in the courtroom. Oh, okay, we've got Ms. Thurman coming back with a dismissal request. We shall see. And we're going to deal with the Brock Turner matter.
What happened to him? I'm not sure what
I
happened.
need you to join breakout room number 6, please.
Sure. Brock Turner's lights, he just sent me.
Please join breakout room number 6. Attorney Taylor, are you ready on your client?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
Okay, we'll bring him out in just a moment.
Okay.
Attorney Vianic, please join breakout room number 6. Attorney Vianic, please join breakout room number 6. Okay, we've got Mr. Trotty with us. I need to get a few people into breakout rooms. Give me just a moment. Okay, I have Attorney Dupree. What case are you here on, please?
Judge, I've got two up this morning, a Carl Tez Tipton and a Rodney Pearson.
Thank you. Mr. Tipton just got here, and I know the officer on
Pearson is here.
Pearson is here.
We're ready on Mr. Tipton whenever the court is.
Okay, just give me a minute. All right, I'm going to handle Attorney Taylor's sentencing first. So you do have co-host if you want to go in and see if Ms. Horn is in there. Officer Mitchell, I'm putting you in room 1. Good morning.
Judge, I will say Tipton is a dismissal. I'm not sure if
That's
that.
fine, but I'm going to do Mr. Taylor's sentencing because he's been waiting.
Very well.
And then I'll get to your dismissal. Thank you. All right. Ready on the Trotty matter, please, Madam Clerk, when you are ready. And I think you're muted, Madam Clerk. Madam Clerk, can you hear me? You appear to be muted.
Okay, it should be up now.
Thank you. All right, ready on the Trotty matter.
Joseph Trotty, Z 8098111, operating while intoxicated.
Thank you. Attorney Taylor, good morning.
Good
Your
morning.
appearance, please.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Joseph Trotty.
Thank you. Mr. Trotty, good morning. Please state your name for the record.
Joseph Trotty. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Today is the date and time set for sentencing on the plea from to an OWI. Attorney Taylor, have you had a chance to review the pre-sentence report with Mr. Trotty?
I have, Your Honor.
And are there any corrections, deletions?
No, everything appears to be in order, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. And have you had a chance to review the recommendations from probation with Mr. Trotty?
I have, Your Honor.
And
no objection, Your Honor.
all right, thank you. And you are aware of the portion that would require medically managed intensive inpatient outpatient treatment?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. All right.
I didn't write the number down, so I can't call it.
All right, court having reviewed the pre-sentence report, agrees with the probation department in the recommendations, and so we'll set sentencing in that manner. This will be a 12-month sentence of probation. Requiring the following during the period of probation. Mr. Trotty must complete alcohol highway safety level 1. He must complete the victim impact panel. He must participate in medically managed intensive inpatient outpatient treatment, attend a 12-step group twice per week, pay restitution as determined, that is reserved for later, 5 days of community service, shall not use or possess any illegal substances or alcohol, shall not use or possess marijuana without a valid medical marijuana card, and shall not use or possess any weapons, handguns, or firearms during the term of probation. All right. He will also have to pay crime victims' rights fees, oversight fee, etc., as listed in the pre-sentence report, as well as the fine imposed by this court, which is imposed in the amount of $190. On top of the other fines and fees that must be paid during the period of probation, which is 12 months. All right, Mr. Trotty, probation will let us know when they think it's time for a review of your sentence. You can come in at the 6-month mark and see me if you've got everything done and let me know that. And then we can talk about whether or not probation should be continued at that time, all right, under the state, under the statute. Okay?
Okay.
All right, and Attorney Taylor, anything further on this one?
No, I just wanted to say that Mr. Trotty's already going to AA meetings on his own, Your Honor.
Wonderful. Great job, Mr. Trotty. Keep it up.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Hopefully we'll see you back here in 6 months and everything will be good.
All right. Yes,
All right.
indeed.
Take care. Bye.
Take care.
Thank you, Attorney Taylor. All right. Let me let in this one person, and then Attorney Dupree will get Tipton called. Would you please get the Carltez Tipton matter ready, Madam Clerk, to be called next? Mr. Pilak, good morning. Daniel Pilak, please unmute.
Good morning.
Good morning. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court, Mr. Pilak?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. And what time were you scheduled for today? Do you know?
The card that I received in the mail says 9:30 a.m.
Okay, thank you. That just helps me understand what you're here for.
Gotcha.
Attorney Soroki did check in for his case.
Soroki, and is it set for trial today?
Yes,
Thank you. And do we know which officer we're expecting for trial today?
Jeremiah Becker.
Thank you. All right, ready on the Tipton matter. Mr. Pelak, please watch to go to the breakout room. Your attorney will be back to see you in a moment. You're going to go to I'm going to put you in room 5. Please go to room 5.
Thank you.
What Brock Turner?
On Brock Turner, looks like everything is fixed, Madam Clerk, Ms. Horn.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, ready for Tipton when you're ready, Madam Clerk.
For Cortez Devontae Tipton, SP 1841766 count 1, improper transportation of usable marijuana, and SP 1841788 count 1, tenant windows.
Thank you. Ms. Horn, your appearance, please.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303, Your Honor.
Thank you. Attorney Dupree.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matthew Dupree, P80132, attorney for the defendant. Mr. Tipton, your name, please.
Courtroom Tipton.
Thank you. All right, what are we doing, Attorney Dupree?
Judge, with regards to the misdemeanor matter, it is being dismissed by stipulation of the parties. With regards to the civil infraction for the tinted windows, that would be remaining because it is the sole remaining matter and it's a civil infraction. The Michigan Indigent Defense Commission requires that I discontinue representation once the misdemeanor is dismissed because there's no criminal case.
All right, thank you. Then Mr. Tipton, who has joined us by Zoom today, will be able to see. Why did we just lose someone? Sorry, the screen is doing different things. Then Mr. Tipton can stay and speak with House Counsel regarding the tinted windows charge. Is there an offer on that one, Ms. Horn?
Just improper equipment as charged. I don't believe there's any points.
Okay.
It doesn't abstract.
All right. So Mr. Tipton, I'll let you speak with counsel about that if you wish to do so. I'll go ahead and rename you.
Okay.
They're
get the dismissal that was signed by Mr. Dupree.
I believe so.
If not, I'll forward it on, or I'll go turn it off and bring it.
Okay.
You got it? Okay, yeah. She has it, Mr. Dupree.
All right.
Thank you.
So I'm just renaming you Mr. Tipton so that counsel will know that's the offer on your matter. I'm going to go ahead and get you into a breakout room so you can speak with someone, okay?
Okay, thank you.
I will put you, Mr. Tipton, in room. Let's see where we are. I'll put you in room 12. Please go ahead and hit join for me. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, looks like I have Arian Porter Craig, which is going to be a dismissal. All right, Madam Clerk, would you please call the Arian Porter Craig matter?
For Arian Porter Craig, SP 952495 count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license.
Thank you. Good morning, Ms. Porter Craig. Please state your name for the record.
Good morning, Arian Porter Craig.
Thank you. Looks like there's been a dismissal per the city in your matter. I can see from the notations here, so I'll go ahead and grant that dismissal at this time. Your ticket is dismissed. Have a great day.
Thank you. Have a great
You are
day.
welcome. All right, bye-bye. Mr. Pearson, good morning to you. Madam Clerk, does Mr. Pearson have retained or appointed counsel?
Attorney Dupree.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Mr. Pearson, the officer is here in your matter. Your attorney is also here. Good morning again, Attorney Dupree. We have Mr. Pearson here. The officer is here in that matter. I'll
Very
go
good,
ahead and
Your
put
Honor.
Mr. Pearson in room 3 so you can speak with him.
Thank you.
All right. Mr. Pearson, go ahead to room 3, please, so you can meet with your attorney. Mr. Pearson, you have to join. Thank you. Mr. Turner, good morning.
How you doing, ma'am?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm doing well.
All right, we're going to go ahead and call your matter. Just a moment. Give me just a moment. Great, Attorney Vinek, I'm glad you're here. I want to go ahead and get the Turner matter done, and then I'll let you go back to your other cases. Madam Clerk, could you please call the Brock Turner matters that are on the docket for today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Today, we have SP 185-2163, counts 1 and 2 for Brock Allen Turner, failed to display valid operator's license and no insurance misdemeanor.
Thank you. Attorney Vinek, your appearance for the record, please.
The record, Melissa Vinek, P53750, appearing on behalf of Brock Allen Turner. Mr. Turner, can you please start your video?
It's okay if he doesn't. I just need him to state his name for the record.
What's your name, sir?
Brock Turner.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, Attorney Vinek. So, Mr. Turner's tickets, I understand, are all paper tickets having to do with license, registration, insurance, et cetera, which we've seen proof of today. I know that you informed me Mr. Turner also presented proof to you that the brake lights that were not working were fixed. Although originally he thought they weren't, he was able to send you a photograph that they are in fact repaired. Is that correct?
That is all correct. Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. Because this is his dad's car.
No,
No. Okay.
it's
So
my car. It was the brake lights. When the officer wrote the ticket, I just assumed that they were broken because it's broken.
So
But
you've now checked
weren't
them
broken.
and you're saying you sent Ms. Vinek a picture showing that they are in fact not working, that they are working. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. And then I understand, Attorney Vinek, there is a motion as to some tickets that were in default, where default judgments were maintained. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor. I believe that Brock Turner has, is it 5 tickets total, Mr. Turner?
Yes, ma'am.
So there would be 3 that would have been in default.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right, thank you. And you are making a motion to set aside the default on those tickets. Is that correct?
That is correct.
All right, thank you. The court will grant the motion to set aside the default on those tickets. All right. That means that we can now pull all of your tickets together, Mr. Turner, and dismiss them all because you have addressed all of these matters. So good job getting everything done. I know it's expensive to take care of all of those things, so it will be nice for you to get some money back. All right. If you want to send a chat to Madam Clerk to ensure that the court has a current address for you, you may do that. Madam Clerk, could you begin a chat with Mr. Turner just so he knows where to send that back to you?
Okay.
All right, and so that'll do it for Mr. Turner, Attorney Vinek. Do you have any other questions for Madam Clerk or for the court before you go back?
Not on this matter, Your Honor, no.
Okay, anything on another matter before I move on to the next case?
Is there somebody in 12?
Yes, so here's the
What-
story on 12. He was originally assigned to Attorney Dupree. However, the city dismissed the misdemeanor, leaving him now unrepresented on a civil infraction with improper equipment. So He just, the offer is, I guess, because for whatever reason, the misdemeanor has been dismissed. She's asking him to just plead straight up to the improper equipment. If you could go over that with him, I would
All right.
appreciate it.
That would be perfectly fine. All right. And
Okay.
then,
So
okay.
if you could go to room 12 on that one, I would appreciate it. Attorney Dupree, what are we doing on Mr. Pearson?
Judge, he is demanding a trial. I have an exam in Judge Jack Hay that I've got to go do. I'm wondering if I could go do that and then come back for the trial.
I mean, yes, because you got to go.
Sorry, Judge. My notes on this from our last conversation was he had indicated it was a plea if the officer showed up. So I didn't, I allocated time based off the presumption that wouldn't change.
What was the plea that was presented?
Delayed sentence on the facsimile firearm, dismiss the tinted windows. There is a pending motion, so I'm gonna call Miss Horn because I don't think she responded, and I don't know if she wants to. It's not dispositive. I don't know if she wants to just argue it today or if she wants to, how she wants to handle that.
All right. Your client understand the motion is not dispositive? Is
I
that
don't
perhaps
even.
what he's hanging on to?
He's not. I don't even. And I hope the court will not take this the wrong way. I don't even think he knows that the motion was filed. I only filed it out of an abundance of caution in case he changed his mind.
Okay.
But
All right.
I haven't gone over it with him.
All right. Thank you. All right. Please get back as soon as you can.
Will do.
Thank you. All right. Looks like we're going to be ready on Carltez Tipton next. And then let me take a look at Ebony Thomas. There's something going on there.
Okay, and Mr. Brock Turner has verified his address, so he's good to go.
Very good. Okay, Mr. Turner, have a great day. You can look to be getting a little gift in the mail.
Thank you. You have a good one as well.
You too. All right. Bye-bye. Okay, let's take a look at, we'll be ready. Looks like we're going to be ready on Carltez Tipton. I just want to know, do you know what time Ebony Thomas is scheduled for? Oh, she's just got one. Is that her?
She was scheduled for 8:30.
I wonder why she wanted an SOS on her. That's not the issue in her case. Oh, it's a licensing issue. It's just not a driver's licensing issue. All right. Are you telling me that Ebony Thomas has the proper licensing now and that you've seen proof of that?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, very good. Thank you. All right, we're ready on Tipton and Ebony Thomas. All right.
Oh.
Mr. Tipton, did you have a chance to talk with Ms. Vinik about the improper equipment issue?
Yes, I did.
Okay, and Attorney Vinik, is Mr. Tipton admitting to the improper equipment?
Yes, he is, Your Honor.
Thank you. Would you please call the Tipton matter, Madam Clerk?
For Carltez Devontae Tipton, SP 1841788, count 1, tenant windows.
Thank you. Mr. Tipton, please state your name for the record.
Carltez Tipton.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Tipton, I understand. So we've discussed your case in some detail this morning. You had originally a misdemeanor charge that was dismissed by the government, and now you are simply admitting to the improper equipment. That's your tinted windows. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay, thank you. The fine on the tinted windows, Madam Clerk, is that 120?
Yeah.
Okay, so, Mr. Tipton, there are some people that just, choose to just keep paying $120 over and over again, but they're going to keep ticketing you and fining you. So the fine on this one's $120, okay?
Okay.
If you have a medical reason for the tint, get your doctor's note. If you think the windows are not improperly tinted, go see the state police and have them certify that if they can. Otherwise, or you're going to need to take it off or just keep paying $120, and I don't know how often, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
You do as well.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
60 days to get that paid.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Bye.
All right, we've got Ebony Thomas now, Madam Clerk, when you're ready.
Ebony Sheree Thomas, U37885717, failed to display Group D entertainer's card.
Thank you. Ms. Thomas, good morning. Just state your name for the record, please.
Ebony Thomas.
Thank you. I understand you've gotten the proper licensing. Now, I'm sorry, Attorney Vinik. Go ahead, your appearance, please.
For the record, Melissa Vinek, P53750, appearing on behalf of Ebony Sheree Thomas.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Thomas, I understand that you do now have the proper licensing. You've shown Attorney Vinek proof of that. Attorney Vinek, is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor, yes.
And I understand there's a motion on that basis.
At this point, Your Honor, yes, we do move for dismissal of this matter.
All right, thank you. Motion to
Fines.
dismiss is granted. Good job getting that together, Ms. Thomas. Have a great day.
You too.
All right.
Question,
Mhm.
the bond.
If you posted a bond, you'll get money back in the mail. So, Madam Clerk, would you chat Ms. Thomas your email address or start a chat with her, Ms. Thomas, and I'm going to ask you to place your address in the chat. We'll verify that we have the correct address for the whatever's coming back to you, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
I just sent it.
Thank you.
So what do I do?
Do you see the chat?
Is it join breakout room? Is that
No,
what
you don't need to join breakout room. Someone should have sent you a chat. See if there's a chat that's popped up so that you can give us an address.
meeting chat? Okay. It says chat disabled.
No, I haven't disabled the chat. And everyone else has been able to use the chat, so I don't know.
Yes, it says chat disabled for me.
All right, I'm gonna send a test. Do you see anything now?
Yes, I see it now.
Can you respond? Okay, good. Go ahead and send your address in that chat, please.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh. Madam Clerk, I'll get the address and send it to you.
Okay.
And then we need to get Attorney Soroki.
17311 Roach.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Okay, we'll make sure the correct address is in the system. You have a great day, Ms. Thomas.
Thank you. You as well.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
All right, Attorney Vinek, that may do it. What happened with Miss Thurmond? She had her SOS was valid. It looked like she had docs and then she was gone.
Yeah, I gave her a final pretrial date because she wants to go get her registration,
Okay.
and Miss Horn was going to give her an improper plate, so she said, "Let me just give." So I gave her March 25th for a final pretrial date.
Okay, that's fine. Go ahead and just email your dates to Madam Clerk. I really do. I need to get Attorney Soroki here. I'm assuming he'll be here in a few minutes. It's almost 10 o'clock. So,
Okay.
because that's likely going to be a dismissal. I still have no officer here on that case and it's set for trial today.
Okay. You've got that one, and then Dupree's on the other one.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yep. So we just need your email.
Okay. Send that email. So there's two that were pretrials.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Officer Tompkins, would you please check the sick list to see if there's an Officer Becker on that list? That's on our trial for PLAC.
No, Your Honor, he's not on there.
Thank you. We can probably just go ahead and handle this one. Attorney Vinek, if you wouldn't mind making the motion on PLAC. I don't have an officer here. I also don't have Soroki here, Soroki checked in, so he'll come back. Sorry, Madam Clerk, would you just reach out to Soroki, let him know that we're ready on his matter, please?
Okay. He said he was on his way.
Thank you, perfect. All right, I'll be right back, Madam Clerk.
Okay. We don't even see you in the room anymore. So it has to be a connection problem. Did you speak to an attorney? We don't even, um,
You
yeah,
need
we
me?
don't here. Yes, Miss Pickens, she said she's in room 7. The connection must be bad because
Is she the same person that happened to yesterday?
no, this didn't happen to her yesterday, but it's the
Don't see
same.
anyone.
It's the same issue where she's
Right,
saying
she's like
in 7.
not.
We don't see her in 7.
I don't see anybody in 7. Do you see
Tell her
anybody in 7?
Ask her to please hang up and dial back in.
Now back in. Okay, she said okay. Yeah, it's the same thing that happened with Marcus Turner because I knew he was here.
Yeah.
But we did not see him.
Okay.
I don't see anybody else. Do you?
So,
Besides the
well,
two,
I can
besides the
see other people in breakout rooms. I can see room 3. I can see room 5. There's
yes,
people.
besides though, but yes, but
Yeah.
I'm saying is for me, I don't see anybody else.
No, I don't see anyone, but Ms. Tompkins Pinkins is on her way back, and so I'd like to have her dealt with. So please pull any offer that might have to do with her.
Tompkins, Pinkins. Why do I feel like Tompkins, Pinkins?
Because she's been in and out a few times today. You may have had her file from Nope, she's today.
For some reason she's highlighted.
Because we ran the SOS. Did her SOS?
Okay. Tompkins, Pinkins.
Hold on. Was the
Okay.
SOS run?
It may have been. I'm running it again now.
Thank you. I think she came back valid.
Oh, she did come back valid?
I don't know. I'm just saying, I think so. Just let me.
Hold on.
I have her on my list for speaking to her and wanting a final pretrial. So,
Okay, so maybe not. Maybe she's not valid yet.
but if she's valid, then maybe she didn't know. Sometimes these people, maybe she didn't know.
I just don't know. I just
Yeah.
know that I haven't run any SOSs this morning that were
For
not.
her. Yeah, that were not.
No, what I'm saying is I don't have a memory of running any that came back not valid.
Okay, yeah.
I don't know whether or not hers was run. That's why we're waiting for her to let
Yeah.
us know.
Okay.
Your Honor, I need to speak with you.
Okay, one moment, please.
All right. Is she back in room 7?
No.
Okay. I just saw her pop in.
Did you? Well, she's coming into the main session. Hold on.
Oh, there we go. Okay, fabulous.
Okay, we're going to try this again. I'm going to try putting you in room. I'm going to try putting her in room 6.
Okay.
Please join room 6. Okay, I can see her in 6. You should be able to find her.
Yes.
Hold on though for hold on.
The SOS. Let's
Yeah.
just wait for the SOS and see how that's going. Okay.
Okay, Attorney Vinik, given the SOS, they've been coming back this way lately where it'll show expired, but then it also shows that it's not expiring till October of 2027, which might mean that it still was just renewed. So
Okay.
just please verify that with her and then see if she has documents.
Okay. And if not, I will give her the final
Yeah.
pre-trial date.
Yeah, but it sounds like she's probably taken care of the expired license. And so then if she's got her registration or whatever, then, you know.
She's okay. So you're saying it's coming back. It may be valid?
Right, it's coming back as expired, but then it also has an expiration date in 2027. But that has been happening when people have just renewed their licenses. So please just check with her as to
Okay.
where she is in the
Okay.
process. If she says that she's renewed it, then the Secretary of State report would seem to reflect that.
Okay. All
And
right.
then, so if she has her other documentation, then
And
that's
she could
fine.
be all set. Okay,
Okay,
perfect. Okay,
thank
yep,
you.
thanks.
All right, Mr. Pilak, good morning.
Good morning.
Attorney Soroki did check in on your case this morning. He got called to another matter, but your case is set for trial today and the officer has failed to appear. So we're going to go ahead and do a dismissal at this time due to the officer's failure to appear. All right. Madam Clerk, would you please call the PLAC matter when you are ready? And I think you're muted. Would you please unmute in the courtroom, Madam Clerk?
For Daniel Scott Pelak, SP 1824175, count 1, entering a vacant dwelling without owner's written permission.
Thank you, Mr. Pilak. Good morning. Please state your name for the record.
Daniel Scott Pellick.
Thank you, Pollock. Thank you. As discussed, you have Attorney Soroki representing you. He did check in this morning on your behalf. He got called to another matter, but this matter was scheduled for trial today to begin at 9:30 a.m. The Officer Becker, has failed to appear and failed to give the court any reason for a failure to appear. On that basis, I'm going to go ahead and dismiss your matter without prejudice at this time. Without prejudice means that the officer could refile the case at a later date if they chose to do so. It's not the norm, but it does sometimes happen. All right. If they choose to refile it, you'd come back and see me again and we'd start over again. But as for now, your ticket is dismissed without prejudice. Have a great day.
You too. May I please just mention one thing real quick?
Yes.
I'd just like to say thank you for making the prior accommodations when it comes to school and stuff. I really appreciate it.
How's school going?
Pretty good. I did good on midterms. 95 and 100, so good thing.
Awesome. That's great to hear. All right. Well, keep doing well. And hopefully this little bump in the road doesn't come back and you're done with this and everything is on the upswing. Okay.
Thank you again, Your Honor. Have a
All
great
right.
day.
Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Okay, so I gave Miss Pinkins a final pretrial date previously, and then I don't know why she came back. She said that she got a call to come back, or maybe there was a notification on her Zoom. I have no idea.
Well, here's part of the issue. Ms. Pinkins, when she checked in this morning, checked in from 3 different devices.
Oh.
And so I was removing, I know I removed 2 of them.
That makes sense.
But somehow maybe another one got, I don't know why she kept logging in from different devices, she was having some technical issues. So
Okay.
that's where that went.
You know what? Let me bring her out because
I tried. Yeah, you can let her know.
bring her
Hey,
out.
Attorney Soroki, I just did your dismissal for you. So you're done.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You are very welcome. Officer failed to appear, was not on the sick list. I knew you had already checked in.
Okay, thank you. We had pictures and everything. We were all set to go.
You were ready, yeah? Okay, well, it's dismissed at this point, but keep it on hand in case you need it.
Have a good day, everyone.
You too. Okay, Ms. Tompkins Pickens, how you doing?
Did she come out? Yeah,
Yes, she's out. Ms. Tompkins Pickens, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I don't
Okay.
know what just happened to my camera and phone, but
That's okay. You've got a date and time to return, is that correct?
yes.
Gonna try to get some things taken care of? Okay, so we'll see you then, all right? Have a great day.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye. All right, guys, that just leaves us with the Roger Pearson
Go on
matter.
trial. Yep.
Yeah, and that's Attorney Dupree. So you are free to go. Just send us over
My document, which I just did. So, okay.
I received it.
All right. So then we have the Rodney Pearson matter, replica firearm, improper equipment.
And I
All
think,
right.
all right. Okay. Very
Have a
good.
great day. Thank you for all
Thank
your work
you.
today. I appreciate
Very
it.
good. You're welcome. Thank you. Okay. Thanks.
Parties on the Pearson matter, please be aware we are waiting for the attorneys to return to the courtroom. We are waiting for the attorneys to return on the Pearson matter. We will resume. Looks like we're going to be going to trial there. We will plan to begin in about 20 minutes. You've got about 20 minutes and then we will attempt to begin the trial. All right, Madam Clerk, would you mind please sending a note to Attorney Horn and Attorney Dupree, letting them know that we'll plan to begin the trial at 9:30-ish, please?
Okay.
They can please plan to be back at 9:30 to begin. Good morning. At the CJC, good morning.
Good morning. I'm sorry, I'm in the wrong court.
Okay, have a great day. All right, Madam Clerk, I'm going to give you host and then I'm going to log off until 9:30. I'm sorry, 10:30.
Okay.
I'll log back in at that time, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and stop your oh shoot. Can you make me host again, please?
Yeah.
Because I want to stop the live streaming so that you're not just on display.
Okay. Make host.